Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth halal step by step. Start by sourcing halal-certified bones and confirm the slaughter method matches Islamic requirements, then rinse bones in cold water. Roast bones briefly for deeper flavor if desired, or skip for a lighter broth. Add water, aromatics, and a splash of vinegar to help extract nutrients, then simmer gently for hours while skimming impurities. Blanch the bones in boiling water for a few minutes, then discard that water to remove blood and impurities before starting your halal broth. If you prefer richer taste, roast bones in the oven until lightly browned, but keep some recipes unroasted for a cleaner flavor. Trim visible fat and cartilage to avoid greasy results, and save trimmed fat for other uses like rendering if you want to reduce waste. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing halal cooking tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated while cooking. It's leak-resistant and easy to grab between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, then grab a sip and settle back in. Now let's get back to the video. Place bones in a large pot or slow cooker, cover with cold water, and add a tablespoon of vinegar to help draw minerals from the bones into the halal broth. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook low and slow for 8 to 24 hours, skimming foam occasionally for clarity. Add aromatics like onion, carrot, celery, and whole spices early, but hold salt until the end so you can adjust after reducing the stock to your preferred taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.